Let's have a quick look at this Hangman starter that I've given you. It's got a bunch of functions and I want to see how they work. Let's start off with the easy peasy one. So we've got this def get new word, and that does what we think it would. So if I just bung in a line down here just to test it, so if I say print get new word, and that should work. Waiting a moment. It should be one of the three words that were there, hairy, and if I run it again it will be a different word. So of course what you'll want to do is put in something like, did I press caps lock? I should be a touch typist, shouldn't I? Word to guess equals get new word. It's something like that I would have thought would be a line in your program. Anyway, what's next? Output Hangman Pick. That does exactly what you want. If we go output Hangman Pick and we pick a number, so the fourth one along will be that one. I think I've only put a 6 in. You can modify them and have more if you want, but there's going to be basically 6 guesses for testing purposes. What else have we got? We've got check for hits. So this takes 2 parameters. I'll look at correct so far another time. Check for hits takes 2 parameters, answer and letters guessed. So looking at the code here, it says for letter in answer. So it's looking through the word that's been given, letter by letter, I presume. And if letter equals letter guessed, return true. Let's just see if that works. So if we just do some print, and the answer, say, is going to be banana, and the letter is A, and A is in banana, so in theory that should return true. Not just print banana A, but print check for hits banana A. Didn't someone tell me I was typing it wrong? You guys are not paying attention. Check for hits banana A. Let's run that. Print bracket. This is Python 3, not Python 2. Once more with feeling. And it says true. Let's get rid of this output Hangman Pick. That's just annoying. Check for hits banana A. So that was checking whether A is in banana, and it says it is. Let's check if C is in banana, shall we? If you can see that, it says false. So it seems to be working as intended. That's nice. Update hits. You kind of, this program was written for a particular way of writing this program. So this is saying if this is the word and this is the letter that was guessed that we know was correct, it's going to update to it's going to take the underscore away and put in the correct letter in that place in the result list. So you could use that, or you could do your own thing, up to you. You can try out a few examples in the same way that I've tried out a bit of this here. Tried out the check for hits. You can see if it works as you want it to. And then is finished obviously checks to see if it's finished. It's basically checking if there are no underscores left, then it never returns false. It just gets to the end of that function and returns true. You may use some of this. I would think it's more likely that you will rewrite quite a lot of it to suit what you think will work better. I'd think you'd almost certainly use this one, and you might as well use this one, because why not? This one I think is pretty useful. This one kind of depends. Output correct so far. You could just print out the word or the array anyway. This one might be useful. This one, yeah, probably would be useful. So up to you. You decide whether it works for you or not. But definitely try and make sense of it, because reading and understanding other people's code is the first step to writing code yourself.